everyone, I'm Rosie. Today I'm sharing 3 traditional hairstyle video in medium hair. So keep watching till the end. Here is my model Gargi Mollik. You can follow her on Facebook and Instagram. For hairstyle number 1, part the hair in middle and take some front hairs. Now start to do a front braid. First take 3 strands of hair and make a braid. Then add some hairs from face lining and continue it. When the braid reaches the ear section, tuck it with a black pin. Then loose the braids to look bigger. Do same with the other part of the hair. After braiding, make a low ponytail. Part the hair in 2 sections and tie the other section with a rubber band. Smooth out the other part with comb. Now we are going to start braiding. Take 3 little sections of hair strands and start braiding. It will be easy for you if you see the video carefully. Continue this adding hair method till the end. When add hair, try to add little section of hair. It will look good. I am speeding this video in 8x speed. At the end, use a rubber band to tie up the braid. Do same with the other section and tie it with a rubber band. When the 2 braid is complete, tie them with 1 rubber band. Take some black pins and tuck the braid under the ponytail. Then tuck 2 sides of the braid as shown in the video with the help of black pin. Use black clip in the lower section of the braid also. Look at the hairstyle. It looks so much bigger now. Add some fancy hairpins to look more stunning. You can try this hairstyle in long hair also. Let me know how much do you like this hairstyle. For hairstyle number 2, lose the braid but the front braid and ponytail will remain same. Take a big black scrunchie to do this hairstyle. Put the scrunchie at the very end of the hair and start to fold it. At first, it will look messy, but at the end you will see the result. Keep folding it until it looks like a bun. When the folding is complete, spread the hair evenly as it looks like a bun. When the bun is fully made, secure it with some black pins. Ta-da! A messy big bun is in front of you. Use some gajras or hair accessories as per your choice. For hairstyle number 3, I am doing nothing but just twisting her hair. First, separate the front hairs from other part of the hair. Now Take some hair from crown area and make a puff. Here I am using a puff clip to make this puff perfect. Now start twisting your hair with the help of your finger. To give it a messy look, lose the twisted hair. Do exactly same with the other sides. This hairstyle is completed now. See how much easy it is. Use any accessories to make this hair look perfect. So girls with medium hair, not to worry now. Try these hairstyles in puja and look fabulous. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Bye bye.